Right, so I'm going to show you how I go about creating the waves that are within my logo. So I select a square of colour, in this case blue. I'm going to put a white outline around it, so it's going to sit nicely. I go into effects, distort and transform, and I go into zigzag, and I create a smooth edge on the zigzag, creating the nice looking wave there. And I set that out and I mixed it with my second colour, which was a light pink. I'm not choosing the exact hex code here, but it's just to show you how it works. So I create the square of colour and I move that behind. That's not quite the right pink that I want to use, so I do change it. And then the wave sits in front of it and I increase the line weight. So when I trim the image, that's what it looks like.